What's up, guys? It's your boy Magic. Man, sorry for the delay of content. Last week has been busy, and the week prior to that I was getting ready to go to the trip in Utah with my wife, ski tripping, the trip that she planned, and it's just been hectic. But definitely got videos that I've been working on that are gonna be uploading this week, so just letting you guys know that. And man, I don't know if you guys ever went skiing. Man, those ski boots, walking in ski boots, I never did that before. Never knew nothing about that, man. Pizza and french fries, I swear when they told me what pizza and french fries were, I'm like, who ordered food? But no, it's a technique that you use to stop when you're using your skis. But yeah, I have footage of like us skiing, snow tubing, and all that type of stuff. So yeah, that'll be coming out this week as well. Just letting you guys know. This week will be a little bit more flexible for me, so I can be able to having a kid as well is pretty tough, but I mean, I can make it happen. I'm gonna make it happen, and just gonna put out more videos this week. So just letting you guys know. So in this video, I just want to kind of give you guys an update of what's been going on in my life right now. So if you see why videos haven't been posted, just letting you know. I'm posting videos. I mean that. Like, it's just been very hectic this week, but it's gonna get better this week though, for sure. So stay with your boy. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for everything. So this is a quick video. I just want to show you guys a little trick in Pro Tools that I've been having problem with lately. I just want to increase my workflow. So I've developed and found out this trick, how to favorite plugins. Like, it's easy to find them quickly than happen to go and search for them. Watch this. Like, what I mean is this right here. You go to, let's go to, like, you go to a plugin, right? And you go here and you go EQ and you have to find it, whatever, or dynamic and find it. I found a quick way of making it favorites. Like right here, it'll just be right here every time you want to look for it. So say we want to do Q10, we just hold control and select it. That's pretty much it. And now when you go back to it, go here, Q10 is right there. It's just small tricks that'll improve your workflow. I wonder if hold control 10 again will delete it from you. Okay, holding control and selecting it from this this is pretty much like a favorite, like a go-to pal shortcut, whatever. And yeah, you pretty much can delete it by holding control and selecting it as well. I guess that's command and select on the Mac, but yeah, it's a quick trick, people. Like I said, more videos coming this week. Be on the lookout, and thank you for everybody who subscribed to the channel. I appreciate it. We're gonna 2021. Let's go. Like, thank you for everybody that's subscribing to my channel and liking my content, and thank you. Thank you. Peace.